Yeah, you had it right the first time, I think.
Yeah.
But my own private Idaho, genius. I mean, he can act,
Right,
clearly, because
right.
he was brilliant in that movie. Brilliant. And that changed everything for me in seeing him in that. That, plus, after that, I started hearing him in interviews, and he's the nicest
He's a sweet
person.
man.
Like,
I think there was a pivot with
ridiculous.
society. Like, I think over the last 5
Yeah.
to 10 years, he became very protected and very, very beloved. I've asked you about this movie before, and I swear you say that you've never seen it.
What?
Steve Martin, Joaquin Phoenix, Keanu Reeves, Rick Moranis, Parenthood
I've seen
from
Parenthood.
1989.
They filmed part of it in Orlando.
Oh, they did?
Oh, yeah.
That's a great movie.
Oh, it's a fantastic
Classic,
Yeah.
classic. What would you call that? I mean, it's a comedy.
Emotional comedy.
Yeah, and it's got to feel very.
Not a rom-com,
No,
but it's a family
a
comedy.
family comedy.
That's a good movie.
It really is.
I haven't seen that in a long time.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
Yeah, no,
I thought you had a thing against.
No, I enjoyed Parenthood. Ron Howard directed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you just said that. Yes. Thank you, Lexi.
He was in a horror movie too, with and he was a serial killer.
Keanu was?
And yes, and he was. I'm trying to remember the name.
Was it
because it had James Spader.
Just a D nothing is not
And-
true.
No, but wasn't he was also in that Knock Knock show where the girls, the two super hot girls, showed up in the rain at his door, and I think they wanted to kill him.
The Dream Site.
That's not the one.
No, it was him and James Spader, and James Spader was like investigating him or following these murders, and Keanu Reeves was kind of acting as an actor.
The Watcher.
Oh,
Yes,
should
yes,
remember that.
that one. That was so good. That was so good. He just needs the right roles to make him shine where he's out there
James
and
Spader.
almost acting like an actor.
James Spader is in The Blacklist, which is a show that I gave up on that I regret giving up on. I think
A lot
after
of people
season
love
2, I gave up on it. It's a great show. No reason whatsoever for giving up on it. I'm just never inspired to go back to it. What's the black dude, the African dude's name? Who's his right-hand man
In what are we talking about?
in the show on The Blacklist?
I don't know. I've never seen it.
Mafimi or something like that? I don't know. Anyway, Lexi, thank you. Always great hearing from you.
Thank you. I'm so glad you're doing so well, Drew.
Okay. Should we drive it live real quick? Go ahead.
Hello?
Hi. What can we do for you?
I really get through. I cannot even believe this right now.
People were always astounded at their ability to put 10 digits in a row and then hit send and then sit there until someone's speaking to them. I guess congratulations on the smallest of accomplishments.
Thank you. You said you were going to give the next caller a my cousin's
I did say that.
tailgate party.
Yeah, I did say
And
that. I'm sorry, you're what?
my boyfriend and I would love to go.
All right, very smart of you to call instead of your boyfriend, because I might have said no to him, but I won't say no to you for sure. Is he right next to you right now?
No, he's down in Port Charlotte working.
Oh, good man. We should do.
Well, he's on his way home now.
Hey, John, over here. We should do phone cucking more often, where like we get a young lady who calls and wants something, and if her boyfriend is right next to her, we make her do questionable
That makes me
things.
very uncomfortable. I mean, I would be the outside. Like, you would be cucking me while cucking her.
Oh, I would?
just don't know. Well, I mean that in a good way. Like, I'd be a part of the cucking. But it's just, I mean, like how? Like, give me an example.
Like, I'm like, all right, if your boyfriend's next to you right now, why don't you tell me what filthy things you would do to John Senning if he was right in front of you right now? And she'd be like, oh my God, I would hop on that beard, like my Nagel's Fable Beard Company oil. I would be all over his face.
Yeah. Can they be in? Can it turn them on?
The girl?
No, the guy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That would ruin it if it did.
Oh.
I'd prefer him crying.
Oh, yeah. So, if he's like, yeah, get him, girl. Get him just the way Daddy likes you to get him. Yeah, that's my girl. Ride that.
He would be all in for that.
Okay, well, that's the kind of cucking I like. Complimentary cucking.
I don't think it's cucking if the guy likes it.
Oh, are you kidding me?
I think part of the cuckiverse is that the guy has to be sobbing while
no.
some big bull pounds away at his woman.
No.
But I guess pleasant cucking would be he's like, hell yeah, get on that like I do.
Yeah.
So he'd be down with that then.
Yeah.
He would totally be down for that.
Like your boyfriend's probably driving home from work right now with a throbber because we're talking like this to his girl.
And I know that he's listening to the show.
Well, then why don't you rub the phone between your boobs?
I almost like the idea of reverse cucking.
Okay, go ahead.
We get the guy on, and we're like, yeah. How about I take a spin on that pole, cowboy? And then the wife's got to sit there like, that's my man.
What if
My
it
man
turns
now, bitch?
Well, what if it turns her on? What if like it's not?
No.
What if she's like, hell yeah, oh my god, spit shine that knob.
Yeah, I'm all about everybody being turned on.
Okay, that's what we do. We do cucking, except everybody's got to be into it. All right, perfect.
I completely agree.
All right, then me, John, and your boyfriend are all together, and we're in a circle.
Yep,
And there's
yep.
a cookie.
Yep.
How you like that, baby?
Love it.
Hang on, we're gonna send you to the tailgate. Just 1 second. We're gonna get your name. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're awesome. What's your name?
Enchaîné.
I believe she said Enchaîné.
Je m'appelle Enchaîné.
Oh, Enchaîné. Not Enchaîné, but Enchaîné. Un moment, Enchaîné. Oh man, I was a French club president junior year, and I can't say anything at all. All I know is like, comment allez-vous?
Oh, that's a good one. I know that one. Kosi Kosa.
Oh! Très bien, très bien.
Yeah, ABC, D, UFG, AJJ, LMNOP.
Nous allons à la plage.
Coupé, UPV, WX.
You're saying the alphabet.
Uh-huh.
You're listening to Drew Garabo live on 102.5 The Bone. The Tampa Bay Lightning now live right here on 102.5 The Bone. Tonight, your Tampa Bay Lightning hit the road to take on the Anaheim Ducks. Don't miss a single game. Listen to every Lightning game all season right here on the official station of the Tampa Bay Lightning. 102.5 The Bone. Real, raw hockey.
Because injuries to muscles and ligaments don't show up on an x-ray, the insurance companies will use it as an excuse not to pay. But we work with doctors who can see what x-rays can't, giving you a case insurance companies can't ignore. Farah and Farah, here for you, here for good. Tampa.
There are those who feel living with debt is inevitable. But there are those who strive for freedom. These are the ones who are willing to play the long game, who don't cut corners. And those are the ones who know not all financial institutions are the same. Fairwinds. Financial freedom happens here. Visit fairwinds.org.
Skyworks of Florida would like to thank all of the brave men and women first responders for their dedication and bravery during Hurricane Ian and the aftermath. And thank you to the people who courageously helped their neighbors and even strangers during this difficult time. Together, we will get through this and rebuild Southwest Florida. The Skyworks team is proud to be a part of this community and proud to help in relief efforts and rebuilding our cities, towns, and neighborhoods.
The reality is, a marching band can take a song. It's pretty impressive. Any song. And ruin it.
Jim Gaffigan in the Dark Pale Tour.
You're like, wow, I didn't know I could hate Uptown Funk that much. You're never listening to a song, I think. I wish there was a marching band version of this.
Jim Gaffigan, a night of all new material. 3 shows, February 10th through the 11th at Strass Center. Tickets on sale now at strasscenter.org.
There are better ways to spend your time than shopping for Medicare. With enrollment ending December 7th, let Health Markets find your plan. Visit healthmarkets.com/easy. Health Markets Insurance Agency Inc. is licensed as an insurance agency in all 50 states and D.C. Not all agents are licensed to sell all products. Service and product availability varies by state. Sales agents may be compensated based on a consumer's enrollment in a health plan. No obligation to enroll. Information provided is limited to plans offered in your area. We do not offer every plan available in your area. Any information we provide is limited to those plans we do offer in your area. Please contact Medicare.gov or 1-800-MEDICARE to get information on all of your options.
Did you know in the case of 30% of all heart attacks, the first symptom is
sudden death? That's right, the silent killer. And it doesn't matter if you're overweight or in shape, you can have clogged arteries. Cardiologists call it the widowmaker. But now, you can be proactive and get your heart scanned. My friends at Lifeguard Imaging have partnered with 1025 The Bone, and they're offering my listeners a free heart scan with a few minimum requirements for you and your spouse. You go in there, you get the scan. It usually takes about 4 minutes. It's an open donut scanner, so if you're claustrophobic like me, you got nothing to worry about. And then they'll give you a score. Usually a 0 predicts almost no chance of a heart attack for the next 5 years. But if something did come back abnormal, now you know, and you can treat it early. Taking advantage of this offer could save your life or the life of someone you love. Call Lifeguard Imaging today, 813-582-3119. That's 813-582-3119, and schedule your appointment that could possibly save your life. It's Lifeguard Imaging. There's no reason to wait any longer. Call them now and tell them I can't say it.
Hey guys, Captain Zach from Tampa Bay Fishing Radio. Our friends at Rivard Buick GMC want to thank you all for making them the Tampa Bay Times People's Choice Best of the Best for 2022. And they are committed to continue to give you the best pricing in the Tampa Bay area. Check them out at RivardBuickGMC.com.
Sell your home with a guaranteed offer from Mark Spain Real Estate. You'll save time and make the most money. Hi, this is Mark Spain, and our offers are the strongest in the industry, so you can sell your home stress-free and make the most money. Go to markspain.com to get a guaranteed offer on your home and skip the hassle of constant cleaning and costly repairs. When you get a guaranteed offer from Mark Spain Real Estate, there are no showings, no open houses, and no stress. Our guaranteed offer keeps you in control. One of our clients, Jeremy, said, "We're very pleased with Mark Spain Real Estate. We took their guaranteed offer and got more money than we thought possible. Not only was the offer strong, but their customer service, professionalism, and attention to detail also exceeded our expectations. I've been in business for nearly 30 years and have served over 44,000 satisfied clients, and I know what matters most, a quick sale and maximum profit. Find out what your guaranteed offer would be. There's no obligation. Call 855-299-SOLD or go to markspain.com to get a guaranteed offer on your home today. That's markspain.com and start packing.
Certain restrictions apply.
Introducing Spectrum One. Get Spectrum Internet with speeds of 300 megabits per second. Advanced Wi-Fi, best-in-class security and privacy. Spectrum Mobile with unlimited talk, text, and data plus nationwide 5G. Get it all with Spectrum One. Spectrum Internet, advanced Wi-Fi, and one line of Spectrum Mobile Unlimited for only $49.99 a month. Visit Spectrum.com or a Spectrum store today. Valid for qualified residential customers only. Service not available in all areas. Restrictions apply.
Get ready for an awesome Thursday night matchup, Bucs fans. Tune into Prime Video this Thursday at 8:15 p.m. to watch Tom Brady and your Tampa Bay Buccaneers take on the Baltimore Ravens.
3, 2, 1, touchdown! Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
Progressive Snapshot can save you money based on how you drive and how much you drive. So the safer you drive, the more money you can save. Now, if you didn't hear that because you were looking at your phone while driving, let me say it again. Seriously, put down your phone. That is so unsafe. If you didn't do stuff like use your phone while driving, you could save money with Progressive Snapshot. When saving or not, just put it down. And if you did hear it the first time because you weren't looking at your phone, nice work. You'd love Snapshot from Progressive because it rewards safe drivers. Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Snapshot not available in California and North Carolina or for all agents.
1025 The Bone. Wheel Ball Radio. WHPT, Sarasota, Tampa, St. Pete. And 107.3 WXGL HD2 St. Pete. Live from the WeatherTime
Red Reddington's right-hand man in blackness. Yes?
I was just gonna ask you if you've been